everyone. Today I'm going to show you Ready Sprint, a project we built at the AI Tinkerers Hackathon and won in the first place. The idea is very simple. You dump your sprint plan into a Google Sheet and Ready Sprint automatically reads it, enriches every ticket with context from your past work and codebase. It uses semantic search for that and then it creates fully populated Jira issues. And this is all orchestrated by three AI agents talking through Redis streams. So here is the architecture diagram. Agent 1 reads the Google Sheet and pushes tickets into a Redis stream. Agent 2 picks them up, searches for context, generates descriptions, and then pushes it to the next stream. And then Agent 3 takes those and creates the Jira issues. This is the sample Google Sheet that I have created. It has all these fields as shown. We will see how those gets mapped into the created Jira issues. Now coming to the application, here I give an option to upload your Google Sheet. You can also see the expected column format right here. I will select a sample Google Sheet which I recently shown. Once it is selected, I will just click on Run Sprint Automation and all the log stream in real time right here in this terminal. At the start, it says something like loading weights. That's just the LLM model. We are using Grok's Llama model, which is currently getting initialized. First call always takes some time to warm up, and then we see something like 103 of 103 votes weights being loaded. That's the Redis vector index. We pre-ingested 103 past Jira tickets and code snippets into Redis vector search. So every new ticket gets semantically matched against all of those to pull in the most relevant context before we even touch the LLM. Now let me quickly walk through what each agent is actually doing under the hood. Agent 1 reads the Google Sheet, grabs the latest sprint tickets, and drops them into a Redis stream. Agent 2 is where the magic is happening. For each ticket, it searches through past tickets and the codebase to find similar work, then uses that as context to generate a proper description. That's the slow part because one call is happening for one ticket. And lastly, Agent 3 takes that enriched ticket and creates the Jira issue. And afterwards, we have all these things set like assignee, story points, sprint, everything. The whole thing typically takes about 2 to 3 minutes for 8 tickets, and most of that time is taken by Agent 2 because each ticket makes a round trip to Grok to generate the description. Now that the whole pipeline is completed, we see all the logs right here. We see what Agent 1 is doing, and afterwards, Agent 2 how it enriches the whole context. And once it is done, then Agent 3 starts creating these Jira tickets. So for each ticket, we see that assignee is getting correctly mapped, story points, the sprint is getting selected, and finally the ticket is getting created. So once all of this is done, we see that Agent 3 has finished its task and all 8 Jira tickets have been created successfully. Now, here on the Atlassian board, if I go to the backlog, you can see the sprint right here. It is Ready Sprint with all the 8 tickets sitting in it. So, and as the sprint is already start, I can see all of this right here in the board as well. So you will notice the board currently doesn't transition items to in progress automatically, but that's just a Composio account permission issue. The current connection doesn't have the scope to trigger status transitions. And the fix is really straightforward. Just update the Jira integration in Composio with the right permission scopes, and that transition call is literally one line of code already in the agent. Now, let me open one of these tickets. So here you can see that the assignee is correctly getting mapped. It is pulled straight from the owner column in the sheet. From here you can verify that. And if you check your inbox, there is also an email coming up right your way that There is the Jira notification email saying a task was assigned to you. Then we can see that the story points are also getting set. This is also came from effort column from the sheet. And look at the description. This wasn't handwritten. Agent 2 generated this by looking at similar past tickets and actual code files in the code base. Then it asks the LLM to write something that a developer could actually work on. It references real file paths and prior work, not just generic boilerplate. And this is Ready Sprint. A Google Sheet goes in, a fully planned Jira sprint comes out in under 3 minutes. Feel free to reach out for any questions or suggestions. Thank you for watching.